Kublai phi baro shakatup Khubor jungi kedan Bosco Media Network. Kimar ki bakongsan menta ka sngi kilong. Sei ka sorkar Meghalaya bat Assam eki kenram yakran Khubor. Hatendong ka sorkar India dawa penrung ka KAS haka 8th schedule ka ketien khasi. Penkup buram ka seng samla nong krem ki khnai le kai ho pernai. Ban job ka kei haka football tournament Christian Endeavor Society. Tomentang ni Peit shaki Khubor ki bakamnya. Ka sorkar Meghalaya bat Assam kila sei madan ni ki kerteng jo ki lendan ki kenram banyak keren ni ki kam Khubor hapedeng kini ki arteli ki Jylla ha state guest house Khanapara hakalai phautarek Nailur. Nakaliang ka sorkar Meghalaya kini kilong ki rangba ban mi khmat ha ki jingyalang banyak keren ni ki kam Khubor bat ka sorkar Assam. Menteri rangba konrat ke sangma DYCM ba snya balang dhar coming one ambon Cabinet Minister Lakaman Rumbui MLA, Ba Nujorki Sungo MLA, Ba Panyat Sings Aim CEM KJDC, Ba Thombor Shiwat CEM JJDC, Ba Iborlang Shadap MDC Badki Officer Rangba. Kadba nakaliang ka sorkar Assam lami khmat do Menteri Rangba Himanta Biswa Sarma, Uchandra Mohon Patwari Cabinet Minister, Atul Bora Cabinet Minister, Bat Ensendran deki Officer Rangba. Ki Menteri Rangba ka Meghalaya bat Assam konrat ke sangma bat Himanta Biswa Sarma hadin ba kilaya mirjingmut haka jingalang kabalalong hakalai phautarek ha Assam State Guest House Khanapara kila rai ban penwai bat penkutno yaki arteli ki Judicial Commission ba kila thung banti bat wat benya ya ka jingsha siat yap ki henriungut ki briu hasnong mukro haka arpu ar tarik unai wing ar hajar arpu ar haka jaka jong kini ki Judicial Commission kini ki Menteri Rangba kila menjur lang bat rai ban kerpa deka Central Bureau of Investigation CBI ban shimti ki jing toket halor kan ka jingja kini arngut ki Menteri Rangba kila ya thu ru ba kila kerpa deka CBI ban toket ya kan ka jingja lengba ka office jong ki kepadon Shabar jaga Meghalaya bat Assam khnang ba kanam don kanu ka jing artatin ne ka jing sngo khonyo Himanta Biswa Sarma ulaya thuru ba kisakhi na Assam kimtre yakandu ikidkhot ka judicial ki bana Meghalaya kumju ru kisakhi na Meghalaya kimtre banya ban ai sabut haka Judicial Commission jaka Assam kumta yakini ki Judicial Commission lade ban penkutno namar kim seiso AA ki Menteri Rangba ka Meghalaya bat Assam hakalai phautarek Nailur kilaya menjur ban wanra deki Pulit Central Reserve Police Force CRPF hakhanduli kajaka kaba jakha kha kajingyakan at hapedeng kinong shnong jo kini ki arteli ki Jylla dangshan ka sorkar Assam bat Meghalaya kilabu ketem Pulit marsenda halaka jong upud usam henrei kini ki ketem Pulit kilong penban ki ketem kiba ketik ban pet mat dong markeliang yaki ketem Pulit lara ban penkendriano khampaji na upod usam
to further resolve the Assam Meghalaya border dispute. Discussion is very cordial and we have been able to take certain very important decisions today. Number one, as a confidence building measure and not to put the respective officers of both the state in difficulty, we have decided to wind up the Judicial Commission ordered by Assam and Meghalaya to inquire the Mokrong firing. Instead, both the government will now request CBI to investigate the matter instead of Judicial Commission, and we will request CBI not to register the case either in Shillong or in Guwahati, but in a neutral venue, so that central government agency can inquire the incident of violence, and we both wind up the Judicial Commission, because none of the commission has able to make any progress, because the judicial inquiry ordered by Assam Meghalaya is not, Meghalaya witnesses are not coming. And in the judicial inquiry ordered by Meghalaya government, Assam witnesses are not going. So in order to have a fair and impartial inquiry, we decided that instead of pursuing judicial inquiry at the end of state government, let us refer to an independent agency, namely CBI, and we will request CBI not to register the case in Guwahati or Shillong, but to register the case in an independent location, either in Delhi, Calcutta, or wherever they like. Number two, in Khanduli PCR, recently Assam Police has set up a police outpost. And in front of that police outpost, Meghalaya Police has put up another outpost, making it almost eyeball to eyeball confrontation. So what we have decided today, Assam Police will put CRPF in that outpost, and Meghalaya will also take their police post to a little behind, so that it goes to a neutral police post, and neither Assam Police, neither Meghalaya Police is seen in actual area of conflict. We can come little later, 200, 300 meter behind, we can put our police. But at the point of confrontation, let there be CRPF, not of the police of both the states. Number three, we have decided to quickly resolve three areas of dispute. And although Honorable Chief Minister Meghalaya is not mentioning that
and we are happy to inform that in three of the areas we are moving very fast and we'd like to resolve these issues. We will inform the press later about the areas, but three of the areas we are moving very aggressively, and we have taken a decision that both the regional committee should try and come to a conclusion at the earliest, and we are working hard on that. At the same time, we had a very detailed discussion, especially regarding the situation right now in Block 1 area, Khanduli PCR area. There is recent incidents of law and order out there, and some incidents of some violence. So we have decided as both state governments that wherever the police forces from the respective state governments had been placed, we will ask the departments and the police to move back, and in areas where it is an area where the borders are there specifically, we will be asking the CRPF, Assam government will ask from their side, in areas where the Assam police had put up some outpost, the CRPF to come in, a neutral force to come in, so that the people of the area, whether from Assam side or from Meghalaya side, will feel more comfortable. And at the same time, some decisions have been taken that certain armed police forces which have been placed in certain areas, if necessary, they will be also pulled back, and so that the confidence level goes up in the people. So certain areas, Assam will be pulling back, and certain areas, Meghalaya side will be pulling back our police forces. And this is being done to build up the confidence among the people. This is being done to send a positive message to the people. And as I said, neutral forces will come into those places, and that way we will ensure that there is no violence that is there. And at the same time, we have asked senior officials as well as regional committee chairmen to visit the locations and ensure that whatever steps need to be taken to ensure that there is peace, those steps also will be taken from the both the state government side. At the same time, we have also decided that the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and myself will be visiting Khanduli PCR area in the month of October, most likely after the pujas. So in the 4th week of October, our visit will be there. And as I said, we are continuously pushing, and I once again thank all the officials and the other ministers as well as the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam for taking the initiative, and I'm sure that with all the efforts being put in, we will move towards a resolution which will be amicable and acceptable to both the states. Thank you very much.
Kaseng kinong tho kot Khasi Author Society KAS sakajing alam jung Professor DRL Nonglaj rengkat kajing trelang kaseng Neutrab Delhi Association HDA bat ka Arts and Culture Department ka Sarkar Jylla kila penlong ya ka seminar ya mirjingmut ha ka arpo khandai tarik bat lai phau tarik Nailur halor ka phang ka tho ka tar ka ktien ka thliet bat ka kolshor ja ka jai benriu Neutrab ha National YMCA Hostel Hanong Ba New Delhi Kajing temu ba kongsan jong kani ka seminar, kalong ban pensngau sa ka sorkar India ban kentiu ya ka ketien khasi ka kernet ka bapra 8th schedule jong ka riti sensyar kari India. Ka ketien khasi kala he ka renyeng renyot bat kala day ka bor ba ka sorkar India kan ai kajing itu khmat ha ka kernet bapra jong ka riti sensyar jong kari. Habakran mat phang ha kani ka seminar u Professor DRL Nonglait President KAS ulapan pau ya ka jingdan kam bat jing koridor ban penlong ya kani ka seminar hanong ba New Delhi khnang ba ka perthai India kan yo I bat yo sngo ya ki jing angnut bat jing thrang juki pa ba hnyau trap ban yo ya ka jing ithu khmat ya ka ktien khasi kabala long ka wei na ki ktien reulum kabala roi bat lakiu irat ha ki school ki college bat university. Ulong ruba kambiang satya banya tai shaphang ka jingroi ka ktien khasi tang ha Shillong hanrei lade ka por ban mi perthei ban pertajam ya ka jingdawa jong ka jat benreu hnyau trap hanong ba New Delhi bat shaki wei de kinong ba jong kari India. Kumban shupen kan mau ka North Eastern Hill University Nehu ka school ba bala seng ka sorkar India leng ba ka an jong ka Parliament Act of Parliament kala ithu bat kan teu ka ktien khasi sha ka kerdan postgraduate bat doctoral PhD degree house nam khat khandai spa prapho ar da ka ba penmi ya ka khasi department ha ka thop joki phang hikai ktien School of Languages. Hakani ka seminar lawan shimbentar uba Vincent H. Pala MP Lok Sabha kum kongsan ka kong Dr. Amprin Lengdo menteri ki kampen roi jing ko jing khia kum ka sembut kongsan ki MDC na ki HEDC ki riu shampang ki samla pule bat ki neutrap ki batrei bakta hanong ba Delhi ki lawan penrhem ya kani ka seminar. Haka jingkran hakani ka sngi uba Vincent H. Pala ulaya ro e ka jing jiliu jingmut jing kinong yalam ka khasi author society Barwan ra ekani ka seminar halor ka ktien khasi hado nur bat jabing jokari India kata hanong ba New Delhi. Kani ka jingle joginong yalam ka KAS kalong ban pensngau ya ka jingdawa jing angnut jing thrang joki pa ba hnyau trap hatendong skor joginong sensha rang ba jongkari India. Uloong kani ka de ka wei na kilat ka ban penkloy ya ka ktien khasi ban yorung ha ka thup kernet bapra ha ka riti sensar kari India bat ban penkonguru ya ka sorkar India. Ka Dr. Amprin Lengdoru kalaya ro ya ka KAS kabalawan ra ya kani ka seminar hatendong jo ka sorkar India hanong ba Delhi. Kidukhot ka khasi student union hakalai phautari Nailur kila wa daki banar hanong ba Shillong nadu mot pran shadu khandai lat ban pen I ya ka dak bashit hem bakias no okti bat kershan do im do yap ya ka jingdawa jong ka KAS nak sorkar India ban penrung ya ka ktien khasi ka khernet ba phra jaga riti senshar jagari India. Kijing tho balawa hakaleng ki surok ka sor Shillong ki penkan mau im ktien im kajat benriu ko sorkar India wale mutlop sho ban penrung no ika ktien khasi haka khernet bapra
Manra syakmat penkiu ki agendas ki bah khmatam ban hangashimet ngalaju ya punya sno ya dari Islam ki belajar tu ban penkre ya di documentation ban submit Shaka Ministry of Language, Pankren, the Department of Language, sorry, Pankren, Halor Tani Bakam, Nila Pa, Yikot Isla di Duni, Ipan Scan.
Nagay Professor Kipatan Hami Apodali, Panpatan Nailur, Ay di Pankren. Rekabay Kabakwa Panong ba seminar kumne, kayaro ay kating start ng kasi auto society ban organize seminar. Narkani kaway kalat kapan ay ikabut ban ay kanu dibanta ng ba nila ban yan naman iyong nakapren barbon I pagkatang ka hit and miss nang hit kan sadon ikaban miss ko na admit ba kapwa ba Maria Long MP na kumaw nali sa maway ay tuloy ay Fadarski di Fadarski o nga medyo Kristom banrong ya kaktir kasi ako kay Sidul kumaw ikong mentan baka kali ako lok subaha ko nung kapag kanang baginyo isabot dan ay di kasi auto society Parlimen kami nak Khubor namdon bagi keren yang muswa buat di bangale muswa kadang kadang milio nak bahasa Khubor ke digitization kam dah fine jadi kita ke digitization kam
Ka Greater Nongkrem Area Youth Welfare and Development Organization ka kunhun ka bapet ya ka bha ka miat ki khon samla barban kentiu ya ki hakikam ya le kai ba bonjat hakalai bhautarik Nailur kalapan kuburam me ki khna samla na ka snong pernai ki bala job haka jinga le kai ya ko football haka block level chief minister cup 8000 arphulai under 10 haka football tournament 8000 arphulai bala penyat da ka Shillong Sport Association under 12 Hakajinga Coop District Level Subroto Cup 8000 Arphulai under 14 but ke SSA Football Tournament 8000 Arphulai under 14 Kani kajinga lang penkuburam la penlong Hamadan pernai Hakani kasngi la sa miki khusnam shki player do kongsan uba sambor lang ding do sordar ko pernai Ladon lang ru hakani kajinga lang kirang ba ki bakuntop ya uba El Kharkongor President ke Greater Nongkrem Area Youth Welfare and Development Organization ba Johnny Star Mauri EC member ba Bixon Mauri Sport Secretary ba Jeffrey Star khar umnod ke headmistress pernai secondary school kong bi khar umnod kilong kemi long kpa kinong hikai ki khana school bat ki samna samhoi na kani kashnong
Yakni kisamla ki ba Aidon lang bangi kum kenhun Tadu kasngi ke ba ila form na ila sang yakni ka Greater Nongkrem Area Youth Welfare and Development Organization Badai mentau senam bangi lai ya kasab kapapel jogini kena pernah ke bala wanra na berburom ya kasnong kathau lengba ka jingjob jongki ha kini ke jingna kai bapel nadu kani ka under 10 under 12 pada under 14 kiba la pelong sisa ya kata ka senong pernai ke bapernai hakalang jingna kai sports kamtam ka football kabrai kawai na ka popular sport po kani ka Jylla jungi bat kumjuru ka pandai bro kawai ngomchu perkhan ba Kasnong umpernai kan samanra nam ra buram hakalang ke football namar ba haki pol haki snam ki balalagno babuan na kisnong singini kithan ki jongi ki ba khampau gade ka smen kalat kol kolong kram ndai menta snam pat gade ka umpernai kabala asya ban pani ya kata ka sap ka phong ani kabala asya ban walra ya kata ka nam ke buram ya kasnong ya kathan hi bro kawai tenagalang ke jongi kum kawai ka kanhun ka ba pet ka ba khmi ban kumno ban kentiu ban promote ya ki klub ani ki sang samla bat kham tam ya ki heb ki baret ki zongi ngila syam da kawai ka rai ba ngiha ban pen ko buram ngiha ban ai ko buram ya ki nang penyan bat kumchu ya ki players ki ba lai le kai ba ki ba la syam mata hagini ki tournament ki ba kumba floi hagini ka flex ka ba ngila wa hajrong ngam da de ai banai fi dai gidai tang gine ki sanat sa kenmau kita ki mementu si bala perkhreak na galang gajongi malkam dai ka sang ka ba kalabir labyang ne ka pada uspa ka bala bun ki fund dai gidai ka sang kreman sabha ne kata ka voluntary organization ka ba buan ni ki jinglot jingsam ni suno seniang ni dalam kaman sabha jungi kum ki members ban ngamdan hira kita ki kata quantity ke jingban pat hagalang jong ka organization ne ngidan pat ya kata ka quality kumno bangen ya kit ya ba kumno bangen ya tre kam bangenang pen ya khmat hakino kino ki banta ki bangidan
point iway jong to scheme kala Khubor kala ibor ya borok hakino mi khmat kita ang tuba as per 3.1 paragraph where the elected representative he is entitled to purchase all the sporting equipments. He has to construct the multi-gyms and he have to promote or he have to repair the existing ground. Kapamot ba ito ka scheme na ay borok ibarok ha kinong ikmat ki jongi borok ha i-constituencies ba kinpentihet i-ginan kam jeng sports club ki registered club kumne ki club tet kumbuang iba mana ki club ki ada registered hi hapo ka registration of societies ki registered club ki registered organization te bikin persna ki multi gyms bat bikin penbahay kini ki madan ki badan pa te nganum da kran bulletin show ki ay bikin alam kham ki bayakran management ndre ng squad pen pensawi pi pangkataga ISYDP schemes nomor hawat nakaliang kajongi kasam khamti ni perangkambay kasi SR kajongi kata corporate social responsibility scheme bagin promote kita ki south sector hi ka agriculture ka health ka education ka sports te pensyam bon ki sports club ni irap pagi justice da kitu ki advertisement jong kasam khamti kumhangtay kumumapat sports and cultural club launch up sports and cultural club barang second division mentabat kanang usang sports and cultural club irap iki bagin ai ki kitu ki justice but haman bagi program yung ai ki ngisi personal ba kay ka contribution bingi ay mingi nakaliang kasab khamti iditang ibaret bat ka ba pinkham yo ba ka jingirap kanday binikinong hikmat ki jongpi ling ba ka taka ISYDP schemes in terms of sports and youth development program te tanita kantin hi natry ki khna ki hap ki baret tu kila ay kwa ay banyo no igini ki certificate ki jongki ki sanad ki jongki bat na kwa bani tu ipi ha ka bede ba kani ka tournament marngila dia mana kaniru nang thien na po maran kalyar katu kamadan ka ba boros kata ka susa untuk ndai da ka jingisim kya ka jongi ngiyo pen penkam da ka jingirap dam jing honorable deputy commissioner win pen mediate dam tigi brio bili kes nomor kadang ka jingi kani pareng sipai bat tigi kor gi jongahi te ngadla di na file da ka petition banyo penkam itu kamadan te hadien bangayo katu ka jing menjur da ka jingirap lang jong district administration apan bahai ti kamaran kalyar nanti ngi la ya perlang buon tili ki tournament sebab manang kani dangshan ngidang ya form itu ka young age football academy katuro di ka registered academy he kumba pilong nama pi ni buat ni promote ikna ki berdu andrius nam do katsan snam te ha ka jing isim bentalang ka jongi ha ka ni ka tournament ka jongpi kadang do ka block level kadang do ka district level para do ka state level te ngitingi pa so tu ikini ki players bikin pai do ka ni ka thongi ka dei ka commitment la ka jing trash tom ka basar kai but ka guidance jong ki ba hikai pi ngadu ki coach adu ka management jong ka ni ka team ka bla elam pi te ngapa ban ai biang ka kitbok ket biang pi bar khoi bla dan nang ni nadu ki have ki beret hadu ki nong elam snong ki sadar snong hadu ki bla elam ni ka sports club bagi nang dei banang trash mat nomor ba ngiram kam hai ka sports but
Kalumpung yang lekai football balapan ya dekat Christian Endeavour Society jangka balang Presbyterian mau lengkung. Haga singi lai pau tarik Nailur kala poi syaka bakun dekat jingya kun kadu hapadeng ke umkei SC Persya eka mau rong SC Hamadan yang lekai Shillong mau lengkung. Ka Christian Endeavour Society jangka balang Presbyterian mau lengkung. Kala penlong ya kani ka lempung kum shibenta ban rakhi ya ka tayau jangki samla Youth Week but Youth Sunday. Hagani kasngi lawan ban penkutno ekate ka lempung da usamla Ajit Makri, President HANM Ribhoi District Kumukongsan. Haga jingalang penkut ladan lang uba sensyar lang nongse, President CE Society, kong Alba Maya Selin Nongben, Secretary CE Society, ba diang hunpar, rang ba shnong mau lengkung, kidukot jangka HANM mau lengkung, bat nam bernihat. Haba pai sa kajingya kun final hakani ka sngi kalalong ka ba itanat bat hakani ka jingya lekai ka umkei SC kala penlim no ya ka maurong SC da ka san lanot bat ra ya ka nam ladu ka umkei SC kala yo ra ya ka song pisa ka ba laipo hajar tengka bat ka maurong SC kala yo khat san hajar tengka.
Smart, kalau betul semua mana wahnya. Rap apa sih? Rap ni tu. Rap lagi.
लगा चुका penalti,
Dia mah.
Pun nam kuat ban kenjong namar ba dik ini player kila trang ban yelekai ban penino ya kasap.
Pada kitu ki Khubor la poi chka pakon tal hadu bangin daya syambiang Khublei Shibun.